At dawn, the Sting factory wakes, ready to build energy.
Every hand that touches Sting passes through strict entry checks.
Raw materials, sugar, taurine, caffeine, flavors arrive under seal and tracking. Pure water flows first, the invisible base of every bottle. Every drop is purified to molecular clarity.
The energy mix, dawn, solids ready for transformation, tomb, arrives in bulk.
Each component stands isolated, awaiting the blend. Nothing proceeds without passing lab-grade purity checks. Powders dissolve into heated water AFM. The base syrup of Sting is born. Heat and cold refine the mix to perfect consistency.
COC infusion transforms syrup into carbonated energy drink.
Flavor, taurine, vitamins, ingredient. Each measured drop adds to the secret recipe. The finished Sting formula moves under sealed pressure toward bottling. Every container is sterilized before it meets the drink inside. Bottle shells are born from molten plastic, strong, light, ready for filling. Air pressure sculpts each bottle to exact shape and strength. Containers are rinsed and dried, 1,000. No room for contamination.
Every bottle receives its precise measure of energy and fizz.
Red caps lock freshness and carbonation inside for every sip. Human precision stands guard over machine perfection. The iconic red gold label crowns every bottle with identity. Each bottle gets a unique code Beverage, traceable and certified. Only bottles meeting strict weight standards move onward. Shrink wrap binds bottles into retail-ready packs. Robots build towers of energy ready for shipment.
Random audits ensure every batch meets quality standards.
Millions of drinks sit ready Kona, a silent supply of energy. From floor to freight, Sting begins its global journey. Sealed for transport, energy locked in tight steel. Cold preserves freshness until the drink reaches you. From millions, a single bottle emerges Taurine, ready for the shelf.
What began as raw chemicals now stands as a polished symbol of energy.
Fizzy, carbonated, and ready spills. The energy flows from bottle to glass. Cold, fresh, real Asane. Every detail speaks readiness. The signature logo glows, ready to stand out on any shelf. From factory to shelf on Team, Sting stands ready for sales. One simple grab, but behind it lies complex industrial craft. For the first time in Milton, chemical precision meets human energy.
Every sip hides a hidden empire. Subscribe for more.